Okay, what's up guys? Today we're going to be looking at a mini USB rechargeable work light / flashlight. Yes, I know, another flashlight review video, but here we are. Enjoy. Now let's look at the box real quick. The box is pretty funny. This is just some no-name type of thing on Amazon. Charging mark, magnet logo, a hook, switch button. I thought that was pretty funny. What I do like about this, the head does fold down all the way. As you see there, 270 degrees is what they say. And it is IP65 rated, so it can get wet. I won't lie, I did already look at it because good old John gets excited when he gets a new flashlight. You get a mini USB cord here. Instructions, which I'm sure the English is great. Here is the light, and it does say work light. This is in case you didn't know what it was. You know, we're getting older these days. It does fold up right there. It does have like 2 hinges, and it is pretty firm. It's not gonna, you know, it's not gonna move on its own. If it gets bumped a little bit, it's not gonna flop around. And this is a COB LED, chip on board LED. That's what you see a LED that looks like this. It's a chip on board LED, COB. It does rotate like that. The bottom is magnetic. It is, I tested it out, it's pretty strong. You know, it's gonna hold itself up on, you know, anything the magnetic that, you know, a magnet can stick to. It does have a hanging hook. It is metal, a metal hanging hook if you needed it. It's just basically a piece of wire if you needed to hang it, but mostly you're gonna be using the magnet. This is where you would charge it. It has a rubber boot on it and a mini USB cord. Let's just show you here. Plug it in. Turns red for charging. I would imagine it turns green when it's done. I haven't charged it yet, so this is just a factory charge. Stick that on there. That's high mode, or low mode, I guess you could say. And the pulsating is only on camera, it's not in person. This is typical showing LEDs on camera, just the frame rate, I would guess. And the tip here is a little flashlight, I guess. You could say that could come in handy. And then off. Tear up invalid, whatever that means. But maybe you void the warranty if you tear that up. And turn it on. It does have a red light mode. You hold it in for 3 seconds. Turns red, I guess for hunting or whatever. Press it again and it's flashing. So it'll be good on a, you know, road emergency. Car broke down on the road. Keep people from you know, slamming into you. So they sell 2 sizes of these. This is the larger of the size, and the other size is a lot smaller. I'm going to say it's like half the size. It's actually a joke, so be careful when you're ordering these. Just make sure that you get the larger of the size. And actually, you know, this is not too large. Once it's folded up, it's basically like hand size. It's not too big, not too small. And the battery is built inside. It's not really meant to be removed, so it's not really serviceable, if you will. So, but it is pretty cool. It is a nice little work light. It's kind of similar to the Harbor Freight one in a way, but this one does fold down like that, so you can stick it in your tool bag. Okay, let's do the moist test, boys. Stick it on there, turn it on. Let's get moist.
Test your might.
Get it underneath the switch there. Just like old days.
Excellent.
Alright, that's pretty good. Still on. Make sure it works. Everything works. Oh, everything still works. Moist test. Pass.
Impressive.
Catnip. Catnip. Give you some catnip, boy. Catnip makes it moist.